Howdy. Okay, guys, hope you're well. So yeah, today we're going to look at integrals involving trig functions. So that's part of calculus 2. Okay, so yeah, on a side note, guys, I'll really appreciate it if you do subscribe. So if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Okay, cool. So let's get started. Type in a comment. So integrals involving trig functions. Period. Okay, cool. So I need to import the library SymPy. So from and SymPy import lemma star. Okay, execute that. Just put me 1 second. I need to change something. I'm gonna go for the dark theme. Apply. Okay, cool. And then printing. So pretty print. So that's equal to true. Okay, and then what I need to do now is assign my symbols. So x, y. So this equal to symbols, and then x, and then y. Right, cool. So my first function, so that'll be so integrate. Right, so sine x to the power 5 with respect to x. Voila. So that's so minus cos cos x to the power 5 over 5, right? Plus 2/3 cos x to the power 3 minus cos x. Okay. So clicking on to the next one. So integrate. So cos x to the power 5 with respect to x. Okay, and then cracking on to the next one again. So integrate tan x to the power 5 with respect to x. Okay, and then my next integral, so integrate second, or sec x squared with respect to x. So sin x over cos x, that's tan x. Okay, and then the next one will be integrate. Okay, cos cubed so divided by sine x to the power 4, then with respect to x. Okay, cool. Yeah, so just a quick intro, solving integrals using trig functions. Okay, so yeah, so on the side note, guys, again, please do subscribe, and I'll do another video as well with some functions using Mathematica and Maple. Yeah, I've got one already with MATLAB. Okay, thanks guys. Cheers, bye-bye.